Hello, this is Michael. Welcome to the Build Wealth with Vacant Lots in Resort Communities course. Affordable quarter-acre lots in resort communities offer a unique investment opportunity. These properties require minimal maintenance and no tenants, making them ideal for investors seeking simplicity. With initial investments as low as $10,000 to $20,000, these lots are accessible and positioned for long-term growth in rapidly expanding areas. Affordable vacant lots in resort communities are a powerful asset class. They offer low holding costs, no maintenance, and are situated in high-demand areas with growing infrastructure. These lots provide a unique investment opportunity, ideal for those seeking simplicity and long-term appreciation without the complexities of traditional real estate. Choosing the right lot is crucial. Confirm a clear title to avoid legal issues. Verify Property Owners Association/Homeowners Association dues for affordability. Review community rules for development restrictions. Check road access and utilities for essential services. Confirm buildability by evaluating topography and zoning. This thorough vetting process ensures you invest in properties with real growth potential, safeguarding your investment. Owning the right lot opens diverse profit avenues. Buy and hold strategies leverage community growth for appreciation. Reselling targets homeowners or builders seeking prime land. Seller financing generates steady cash flow, transforming a single asset into ongoing income. Holding in a trust or limited liability company offers asset protection and legacy wealth building, ensuring flexibility and control over your investment. Investors can utilize self-directed individual retirement accounts, 401ks, and limited liability companies to purchase vacant land, offering tax-advantaged growth. Over 90% of clients use retirement accounts for this purpose. We guide you through compliance, avoiding prohibited transactions, and setting up accounts, ensuring a seamless process. Leverage retirement funds for real estate wealth with confidence and peace of mind. Our streamlined investment system offers a hassle-free experience. We conduct full title searches and due diligence, ensuring properties are buildable and legally sound. With professional support through closing, you simply hold the land and watch it appreciate. Ideal for busy professionals seeking real estate growth without management burdens. Vacant land offers an extremely low cost of ownership, making it an attractive investment. With minimal expenses like $79 annual property taxes and $42 monthly property owners association fees, investors can maintain appreciating assets affordably. This cost structure allows for gradual wealth building, especially through retirement accounts, without the burdens of traditional property management. Real investor stories highlight the power of vacant land investments. Using self-directed individual retirement accounts, investors have seen steady appreciation, building tax-advantaged retirement wealth. Starting small, some expanded portfolios over time. Seller financing strategies created consistent income streams. High net worth individuals assembled portfolios for family wealth and estate planning. These examples showcase growth and adaptability to diverse financial goals. With extensive experience in purchasing thousands of lots, I offer unparalleled insights into land investment. My expertise spans resort communities and market cycles, ensuring informed decisions. I've guided investors in wealth building through strategic acquisitions and retirement accounts, emphasizing due diligence and transparent pricing. My diverse real estate background enhances my ability to provide comprehensive guidance. Begin with a strategy call to tailor your land investment plan. Assess your budget, timeline, and goals. Choose communities with growth potential. Match your objectives with the right property type. Understand the reservation process from selection to ownership. Develop a scaling plan for portfolio growth. Schedule your strategy call to start building land wealth.